Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to solve an elapsed time story problem in two different ways. One is using a timeline and one is using a clock. So here's the problem. Miss Porter woke up at 5:35. It took her 45 minutes to shower and 20 minutes to drink her coffee. What time was she ready? So I'm going to start with a timeline. Um, so you just need a blank line, and then we're going to start at 5:35. So I'm just going to mark 5:35 here. That's 5:35 in the morning. I actually wake up at 5:30, but I wanted to make it a little bit trickier. So it took her 45 minutes to shower. So I need to jump 45 minutes on the timeline. So 5:35 plus 45 minutes. I'm just going to write myself a little note here. So you can jump by fives. I think I'm going to, so I know 45 minutes is actually 15 minutes plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. So I think I'm going to jump 10 minutes. So I'm going to do a jump of 10, which would put me at 5:45. So I did 10 of the 45 minutes. That means I have 35 minutes left. Let me cross this off and put 35 so I don't confuse myself. All right, so I'm at 5:45. I could jump 30 minutes because I know 30 is 15 plus 15. So 5:45 plus 15 would put me at 6 o'clock. And so I jumped 15 of the 35. I have to jump another 15 because 15 plus 15 is 30. That would put me at 6:15, right? So I'm going to cross this off, and I still have 5 minutes left because I jumped 30 here, I jumped 15 here. So now I just have to jump a jump of 5, and that would put me at 6:20. So what I want you to think about on a clock, this is 15 minutes, right? 5, 10, 15. Another 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15 makes half hour. Another 15 minutes makes 45 minutes. And another 15 minutes makes a whole hour. So it's really helpful when you're doing time on a timeline to keep that in mind. A whole clock is made up of 4 15-minute sections or 2 half-hour sections. So let me use the clock to check my work. So I'm going to start the clock at 5:35. Ooh, there's 5 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's 5:35. Now I need to jump 45 minutes from 5:35. So I would do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yep, I landed on 6:20. That was only the first part of my problem though, because the second part says it took me 20 minutes to drink my coffee. So now I have to add 20 minutes. I almost forgot to do that. So 6:20 plus 20. Well, that's pretty easy. 6:20 plus 20 minutes. 20 plus 20 is 40. So that's going to put me at 6:40. Let me try it on the clock and see if I get the same thing. So I just have to add 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. Look, 6:40. That's what time I was ready to go for the day. So I did that and I did that. So our answer is 6:40. So there's two different ways you can do it. The timeline, or you can draw a clock if you don't have an app like this.